Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I am reviewing the Sensational Textured Lace Wig with the kinky edges. I did purchase her from wigtypes.com. I will have everything about her down in the description box below. So let's get right into the specs. So y'all see that hairline already comes with those kinky edges, and then that is the inside of the unit. She does come with 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, and also that elastic band that is adjustable. So I am brushing those baby hairs back because she is a little full for my liking. So I am going to go in and tweeze her out a little bit just to thin her out just a little bit. So I will say, when trying to part this unit, baby, it's a fool, because once them curls get untangled, they gonna get untangled. But you can kind of finesse it and kind of put mousse and kind of revive it. But yes, be cautious on how you are separating the hair because she will tangle up. So of course I definitely want to go in and cut her down because she was just too full for my liking, for my head. And while I was parting her, I see I had either created a hole or it was a hole already there. So you can easily use some needle and thread, tighten that back up and close that hole. But yeah, I don't know if I did that or it came like that, but yeah. Honestly, there's no technique to this. I was just cutting what I feel I needed to cut. So as I'm watching this recording of me doing the 100th video of a wig review, a hair review, a word just keeps popping up in my head, and it is fear. And it relates back to this as well. The fear of me not wanting to mess up this wig by excessively overly cutting. As y'all can see, it is looking choppy, but I promise you in the end it's gonna give what it needs to give, y'all. But fear, that word has definitely been very prevalent in my life as of lately. The fear of failing, the fear of it not being perfect, the fear of hoping you guys like it, hoping the audience likes it. Imposter syndrome. Am I still supposed to be doing this? Do I still connect with the people that I need to connect with? Even though I was very fearful with how this unit was going to look at the end. Fear has been coming up in other parts of my life as well. And hopefully I will get out of that fear of opening up and showing you and myself how far I can push myself creatively. But yeah, random thoughts while I'm editing this video. So as y'all can see, I am adding a middle part as much as I can. What I will say about that lace, the lace is pretty good. But thank God that I did cut them bangs in the front, because that lace is still, you know, it could have been better. But she is giving natural. She is definitely giving, oh, you must have did perm rods. Yes, ma'am, I did. This wig was pretty simple to put on. I am going to always give you guys a segue into what I do makeup wise. I am using the lip bar products once again in this video. So I'm using that setting spray to kind of wet my face up so the product can kind of glide right onto my face. What I will say about this unit, she reminded me of that outre curly wig that I did. I did a review for that like months ago. I'll put that video up above if you guys want to check it out. But the thing about that video and about that hair, I like how I was able to break apart the curls and they still snap back with mousse. This snap back with mousse, but yeah, the texture of this unit was very like, oh, she gonna kink up. It wasn't a smooth process as far as like separating the curls, so please be mindful of that. Overall, how I am feeling about this unit from Sensationnel, I will give her a solid 7.5, 8.2. If I had to rate her out of 10, I do love the concept of this. I love how easy it was to put on. I do love the construction in the inside of this unit. Like I said, I love the concept of having kinky edges. Everything doesn't always have to be baby haired out. Everything doesn't have to be so neat. Stuff can look natural after a while, you know. Overall, the price point is pretty decent. She does tangle. She tangles up really bad, so make sure you do have some mousse. You have used some shears to kind of cut off, you know, the ragged pieces. Shedding wise, she didn't shed. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel, supporting my channel, always being here. Or if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hi, I'm so happy that you found me. And to the subscribers that have been here for years, yes, baby, thank y'all so much. Y'all are literally supporting something way bigger than myself, for real. Yes, these are wig reviews, these are hair reviews, but your support has helped me maintain myself, along with, of course, my new addition with my son. He'll be 3 coming up in October, and I really truly appreciate y'all. So thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.